Good morning, dear students. We have already started new chapter, no? And we have done one exercise in our last class. So today we will start new exercise 5.2. Okay. Number 1, express the following fractions in their simplest form. So here some fractions are given. You have to convert these fractions into simplest form. Means you have to cancel those numbers, okay, then you have to convert into the simplest form. So your first question is 15 by 35. So we can cancel with 5. No, 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35. Now further we cannot cancel. Your answer is 3 divided by 7. Okay, now next is 60 and 24. Both are even numbers. We can cancel with 2. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again we have even numbers. We can cancel with 2. 2 1s are 2, carry 1. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will try with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Answer is 5 divided by 2. This is your answer. Now next is 81 divided by 36. This one is odd, so we will not cancel with 2. We'll try with 3. 3 2s are 6, 2 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again we can cancel with 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12. So your answer is 9 divided by 4. Now next is 120 divided by 240. First you cancel 0 0. Okay. Then both are even numbers, 12 and 24. Cancel with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 12s are 24. Now 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So answer is 1 divided by 2. So remaining question you solve yourself. Okay. Now next is number 2. Convert the following fractions into like fraction. So in previous class I have already explained what is like fraction. Okay, so here is the definition of like fraction. When fractions have the same denominators, when the fractions have same denominator, those fractions are called like fractions. That means in this question we have to make same denominator. Okay, so here is 4 by 8 and here is 5 by 24. So to make the same denominator, what we will do is we have to find the LCM of 8 and 24. Okay, and the LCM of 8 and 24 is 24. So we have to make this denominator 24. Now how will you make this 8 into 24? How will you convert? When you multiply this 8 by 3, 8 3s are 24. You have to multiply numerator also. Here you don't have to do anything. So 4 3s are 12, 8 3s are 24, comma 5 divided by 24. Now this is your, these are like fractions. Okay, now next is 3 by 8 comma 7 by 15. Same process. You have to find LCM of 8 and 15, which is 120. Okay, so here you have to multiply numerator and denominator. Now how will you convert this 8 into 120? When you multiply this 8 by 15, and to convert this 15 into 120, you have to multiply by 8. 8. Okay. Now is equal to 3 15s are 45, 8 15s are 120, comma 7 8s are 56 divided by 120. Okay. Now question number C, you solve yourself. Now question number 3. Compare the fractions and write this symbol in the empty boxes. Okay. You have to give the symbol inside this box. Okay. You have to compare the given fractions first. So 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. So how to compare these fractions is we have one easy, very easy method. No, by seeing the fraction you will not come to know which one is greater, which one is smaller. So for that, what we will do, we will multiply 2 and 6. 6 2s are 12, we will write on the left hand side. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 we will write on the right hand side. Now this 3 is lesser than 12. So you have to give this symbol. This symbol will point towards the smaller one. No, so this 3 is smaller. So you have to give this symbol in this bracket. Next is again 1 8s are 8. 4 7s are 28. So 8 is smaller. So symbol will point towards this 8. So symbol will be this one. Now next is 3 by 6 and 0. And we know 0 is always smaller than positive number. So 0 is smaller. We can easily write this symbol. Next is 2 by 10 and 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 we will write. 10 1s are 10. So 4 is smaller than 10. So symbol will be lesser than here. 2 by 3 and 4 by 9. 9 2s are 18. 3 4s are 12. We know 12 is smaller than 18. Now remaining question you solve. Next is number 4. Write the shaded portions of these figures as fractions and then arrange them in ascending order. First you have to write this given figure in fractional form. Then you have to write in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. No. So here we have 1 2 3 4. 4. Now how many portions are shaded? Only 1. So the fraction is 1 by 4. 1 2 3. 3 divided by 4. Here 2. 2 divided by 4. Here all 4 are shaded. 4 divided by 4. Now we have to write in ascending order. So all are like fraction. No? We have like fraction. So we will just compare numerator. Smallest is 1. 1 by 4. Then 2 by 4. Then 3 by 4. And 4 by 4. This is your answer. Now next is question number 5. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. Okay. So here we have fractions which have different denominators. So when they have different denominators, it is very difficult to compare, right? So for that, what we will do, we will find LCM of 10, 5 and 2, which is 10. So here what we will do is, we will multiply each fraction by 10. Okay, it will be easy. After that you can easily compare. Next is we will cancel. 10 and 10 cancel. This is only 7. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Now you can easily compare. This 5 is smaller. No, smallest. So 5 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Then next is 7. 7 is 7 by 10. And this 8. 8 is 4 by 5. Okay. Now next is question number B. 5 by 6, 11 by 12, 3 by 4 and 23 by 24. First you take LCM. After that